kitchen. This morning I'm going to show you how to make some cornmeal porridge. Okay, this is everything that I'm going to use. All right, this is the cornmeal that I'm going to use. All right, and this is the coconut powder, and I have some coconut again here. I have some sweetened milk here. All right, I have some vanilla, and I have some nutmeg, and I have some salt here and some sugar. All right, so throw right now I'm gonna throw the caramel in the bowl for you and show you. This is the bowl because caramel is swell, so you have to be careful with the caramel because it's swell. When you put in the pot, it's swell. All right, but I'm making a whole lot of porridge, so I'm gonna use like maybe a cup and a half. This is like a cup and a half, but this is 2 cups, so maybe this is like a cup and a half. All right, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to open the coconut powder. All right, and I'm going to dump the coconut powder in my caramel. Okay, and then I'm going to show you, I'm going to mix it. I'm not going to use this right now because I just used the coconut powder. All right, so right now I'm going to put some salt. All right, that is like maybe a half a teaspoon of salt. All right, I'm going to put some vanilla in the water. Okay, I'm going to put some vanilla in my water. Okay, if you have cinnamon leaf, you can put some cinnamon leaf in your water. Okay, then I'm going to throw my coconut powder, all right, in my caramel here. As I said, just be careful with the caramel because caramel swell. Okay, and make sure when you mix your caramel and put in the pot, you keep on mix it. Okay, because you don't want it to be lumpy. All right, but it can get lumpy. Okay, I'm going to change my spoon. Make sure you have enough water. You don't want it too water and you don't want it too thick. Okay, all right, so I'm going to throw it right now in my pot. Okay, as I said, keep on mix it because the caramel will get lumpy. So just keep on stir it up. Okay, you can mix it for like a minute. Okay, and if you mix it and it gets thick and you feel like you want some more water, just throw some more water. Okay, okay guys, this is what I'm talking about. You see it gets so thick, so you have to keep on mixing it, you know. If you don't mix it, it will be lumpy. And if you feel like you want more water, you can throw some more water, but make sure you throw the water, you're going to mix it same way. Okay, so you don't want it to be lumpy, so you just, you know, give it a good mix, you know. Here it is. And guys, the caramel porridge take 20 minutes, guys. Okay, you have to boil the caramel really good. Okay, but you don't want the caramel to hurt your stomach, so you have to boil the caramel really good. So it takes 20 minutes, all right, to boil the caramel. Okay, okay guys, porridge is boiling really nicely. I'm gonna take it off like the next 5 minutes. It's on the stove for about 15 minutes now. So about the next 5 minutes I'm going to remove it, turn off the stove, and then I'm going to sweeten it. Okay guys, so the porridge is finished now guys. Alright, so I'm going to turn it off. And guys, make sure you put your stove on medium heat, okay? Alright, so it's finished now guys, so you can just remove it off the stove. Okay, just barely remove it off the stove because you want to sweeten it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to sweeten it right now. Okay, so you can just remove it and sweeten it guys. All right guys, you can put some evaporated milk. In Jamaica we call it Gloria milk. All right, you can put a little bit of evaporated milk in this. Okay, and this is the sweet milk guys that I'm going to put. All right, I'm going to put all of my sweet milk. Okay, and guys, I'm gonna put some vanilla. like a cork of vanilla. Cause I already did put vanilla when it's boiling. Okay. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna put something not an egg. Okay. Alright guys, so this is a spice. Okay, so that's my nutmeg, guys. Just a pinch of nutmeg, guys. Alright. I'm gonna put some sugar, guys. Okay. Now you're gonna mix. And guys, you can sweeten it how you want it. Okay, if you want it sweet, you can make it sweet. Alright. Just sweeten it the way you want it to. Okay, guys? So those black things are not the egg, guys. Okay? Okay, guys, so now I'm going to taste it a bit in my hands. Just put a little in my hands and taste it. Okay, it tastes like it wants some more sweet. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to put some more milk, some more sweet milk. So I'm going to put another can of sweet milk. Okay, that's why I said sweeten it the way you want it. Okay. Alright. That's 2 cans of sweet milk I just put in there, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, so basically this is it, guys. This is my caramel porridge, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Alright, if you like, share.